Welcome to Textile Technology Channel. Carding is the second process of yarn manufacturing. It's a critical, high-speed process in yarn manufacturing that cleans, separates, and parallelizes raw fibers, transforming them into a uniform, untwisted strand known as a sliver. Functions of carding: fiber individualization, cleaning and impurity removal, fiber alignment and blending, sliver formation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.